An Apple leak may have just revealed that the iPhone X might be discontinued. Why am I not surprised? Welcome back to InformOverload, where we overload you with information. I'm Charlotte and I'm the main host of this channel. If you need a place to get your trending news on YouTube, look no further and subscribe to IO. Apple's 10th anniversary phone might be getting the boot, according to a KGI securities analyst, Ming-Chi Kuo. He says that the sales of the highly anticipated phone have been disappointing, and production will be stopping this summer. It's pretty rare that Apple cancels production of their phones. The last one to be cancelled was the 5C in 2014. But I mean, the 10th anniversary phone? The fact that Apple is scrapping the iPhone X is pretty monumental. Consumers aren't exactly blind sheep that will purchase anything that Apple has to offer anymore. Could this mean, dare I say it, the end of Apple? Let's not get carried away yet. Yes, the iPhone X was a bit of a bust, and that pretty much has to do with the fact that it's so friggin' expensive for what you're getting. You can buy a used car for the same price as an iPhone X. Plus, I feel like the X fell short with the majority of its upgrade features. The face unlock was a disaster. There were many reports of people being able to unlock phones that weren't their own. So one of the main motivations for Apple canceling the iPhone X is the disinterest in China. Chinese consumers drive a lot of Apple's sales, and they just aren't buying iPhone Xs. It's been suggested by some reports that the iPhone X is unable to tell Chinese people apart from one another, which could be the reason why it's not selling in China. That's a pretty big security risk. If other people can unlock your iPhone X, they can pay for things with Apple Pay. It's like having access to someone's PIN to their credit card. That being said, Apple has addressed this claim, and they said that it's totally untrue. They say that there's only a 1 in 1 million chance that someone else's face can unlock your phone. Another reason it is not selling well in China is because the X is not yet compatible with many popular Chinese apps. So one has to wonder, why isn't Apple just selling the iPhone X at a cheaper price rather than discontinuing it? Apple is expected to stop production of the iPhone X in July or August of 2018. Do you have the iPhone X? Do you like it? Why or why not? Let me know in those comments below, but for now I'm going to respond to some comments from previous videos. Sammy Winchester said, "Hey Charlotte, can you beatbox?" I wish. I can do like that's the extent of my beatboxing. Siri could beat me in a beatbox battle. Jeremiah Gaming said, "I love your videos so much because you guys overload my brain with info." Yes, we do that. Danny Ariel said, "I watch your videos in school." That's really cool. If only my teachers could see me now. I bet you're regretting putting me in detention, huh? Alrighty, that is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching IO. If you want to keep watching, why not check out our playlist, Technology Reviews. That is it for me. See ya!